Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and we're inching closer to my 1500th episode. Thank you for watching. It's pretty cool. It's kind of crazy to even think about that. Today we've got one from, I think it's Dian or Zun or Zen, I can't remember, but big thanks to Kyle Cow from over at Mom's Dry Noodle for helping with the translation and the directions. Really helped out, man. These are crossing the bridge noodles, and it's a special dish from Yunnan province, which borders with Vietnam, so it kind of has some aspects that are reminiscent of pho, if you were wondering. It's Sunday morning. Give me a break. So we've got 3 sachets that go in first. And we need scissors. So we've got a paste sachet right here, like so. This was a weird one because it had a barcode, but it was a distributor's barcode. Not like a regular barcode that would be on the box. So that led me down a rabbit hole to nothing. And then none of it's in English. So I was like, help, dude. You help me out. So this has one ingredient in it. It's kind of like it sounds like it's a kind of light chicken soup kind of deal. So we shall see. Got in here. Oh wow. Some oil and stuff. And in this sachet, we've got green onions and chrysanthemum. And I really wish I had some chrysanthemums to adorn it with, because I found a picture on Wikipedia. First off, the bowl itself was rad. Oh wow, that's neat. Yeah, chrysanthemum petals. Who'd have thunk it? So this goes for a minute, and then we'll get into adding the noodles in for 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a stir, and then it's done. But yeah, the bowl was rad, and then it had like whole chrysanthemum flowers on top. That's pretty neat. Looked just fan-freaking-tastic. I made some chicken to go in it. It's a chicken variety. Yeah. And it's a rice noodle, and you get this big thing of fresh keeping rice noodle. It keeps it fresh. Ooh. Looks kind of dreary out today. It's very cloudy, but I think that's about all I gotta worry about is clouds. That's fine. So what I've been doing lately is on Sundays I've been going and bringing my backpack and this camera with the monopod and going to spots and just setting up, taking a seat and shooting footage for intros and outros. So it's like B-roll shoot Sunday, which is kind of neat. I think I'm going to do that again today. I've got 2 spots. I got to walk down that way, a long way. There's a sign that says welcome to Seattle. I think I could sit in that. There's a bench right there, and so what I could do is angle the camera up towards the sign, and it's busy on Sundays on the trail. I mean, so many bikes, so many people going by. So I could do a time lapse of that with people just like flying back and forth. And then there's one spot a little further down where you go down a little hill and there's a bench right there. And if that's unoccupied, it's got a beautiful view of Lake Washington. And I could set up and sit there and shoot that for a while. Oh look, there's Louise. You want to say hi to Louise? I may have to do some shooting of the guinea pigs having some chow, because they've been like really interested in eating. They're always interested in eating. Yeah, there's Louise drinking some water. If I had a plastic bag, I could show you what they do when there's a plastic bag present, because they go nuts. They're like, ooh, ooh, ooh. That must mean there's food for us. Alright, this has got to be close to done. I don't want to boil it too hard. Really, all these rice noodles need to do is get to temperature. They're fresh noodles, but 2 to 3 minutes. Maybe it soaks in a little bit, but that's what it says to do. But yeah, little guinea pig action for you. Ooh, there. Yeah, I did. I put the time lapse on them, or the camera on them last night while my wife was getting their food ready, and they're like, and then sometimes it just stops. I must have bumped it. That's irritating. I don't really like that. 15, 14. You can cruise into the home gate without extra heat. I'm very, very curious about this. All right. That smells good. It's supposed to have like ginger notes and stuff. Here, this is what's going on. I've got a cord next to it. There we go. So let's give this a try. I think this is one of the spendier ones. Right around Lunar New Year, they've got special stuff at Asian grocery stores, especially the Chinese ones, and they'll have like really special ones you won't see the rest of the year, and this was one of those. And they're kind of spendy. Cheers. Nice wide noodle. I like that. Let me see here. Yeah, broth looks very nice. Very hot. A little bit of mushroom, a little bit of ginger. Man, that's quite good. Yeah, that's an easy $5. I can say that much for it. That's very good. All right, let's find you a home. Actually, what I want to do is I've got this chicken here, and I want the chicken to kind of join the party by itself. So there's a chicken. Bok bok bagok. Chicken, chicken. And chicken, chicken, chicken. And chicken. I want a piece of chicken. There we go. Alright. I'm going to stir that up a little bit. And it did mention that bean sprouts are common in this variety. I don't think that's generally a regular kind of thing in most Chinese varieties. But in this one, it mentioned it on Wikipedia. Just some of those. Now let's add it in. Wow, look at that. Huh. Wowie zowie. And a couple chrysanthemums on top. That would have been awesome, but I found that out like around what, 9 p.m. last night, so I was like, well, I could wait on this, or I could get chrysanthemums. I'm gonna just not have chrysanthemums. Sesame seeds for sure. And where's my garlic? Oh yeah, that's right. I got Fresno pepper spray on the garlic. Let's just do a little bit. Oh, it was open too. Oh, garlic. That, boy, I could wolf that down right now. Holy cow. Alas. Yes, the diet. So rice noodle. Whoa, this chair is kind of slick. That could have been fun to watch. Wow, I'm glad it wasn't. Okay. How about there? Come on, Rotato. Do your stuff. Wow, a really super fancy one from China. Thanks again to Kyle over at Mom's Dry Noodle for the help in translation. The next one we'll have is one from the UK. This is Naked Noodle with their Thai-style coconut and lemongrass variety. This will be a quickie. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.